Here the problem is evaluate double integral x square dx dy over the region R. Regarding R, where R is the region in the first quadrant bounded by the lines y equal to x, y equal to 0, x equal to 8 and the curve xy or yx equal to 16. So we have to evaluate double integral x square dx dy over the region R. R is bounded by the lines y equal to x, y equal to 0, x equal to 8 and yx equal to 16. First, to do the evaluation of double integral, first identify the region of integration. So first we take a rough sketch to the region of integration. So consider xy plane, x axis, y axis, and this is origin 0, 0. Region R is bounded by the lines y equal to x. Y equal to x means it is a straight line passing through origin. Y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means x axis. X equal to 8. X equal to 8 means along x axis 8 units distance, means this is the point 8, 0. Along x axis 8 units distance and the line parallel to y axis. This is x equal to 8. This is the line x equal to 8. Clearly x equal to 8 is intersecting the line y equal to x. So y equal to x and x equal to 8 are intersecting. Solve these two. Solve y equal to x and x equal to 8. Substitute x equal to 8 so that y becomes 8. So the point is x comma y is 8 comma 8. Clearly the line x equal to 8 and y equal to x are intersecting at the point 8 comma 8. Okay. Here once observe region. Region is bounded with the lines y equal to x, means this one, y equal to 0, x axis, x equal to 8 and the curve xy equal to 16. Xy equal to 16 means it is symmetric about in opposite quadrants. So this represents xy equal to 16. Clearly xy equal to 16 in the rough sketch intersecting with y equal to x at this point. Intersecting at y equal to x. Solve these two. If you substitute in place of yx, you will get x square equal to 16, x equal to plus or minus 4. R is the region in the first quadrant. So we take only positive, x equal to 4 and here x equal to y. So intersecting point x comma y equal to 4 comma 4. So this is intersecting point to xy equal to 16 and y equal to x. So this is the point 4 comma 4. And clearly xy equal to 16 intersecting at this point also. Xy equal to 16 intersecting with the line x equal to 8. Substitute x equal to 8. So y becomes 2. So intersecting point is 8 comma 2. Means these two xy equal to 16 and the line x equal to 8. By solving these two equations, you will get intersecting point of the curve xy equal to 16 with the line x equal to 8, that is 8, 2. This point is 8, 2. So we got all intersecting points of these curves. Now identify region of integration. Region of integration is bounded with the lines y equal to x, x equal to 8, and the curve xy equal to 16, and x-axis means y equal to 0. Again I am repeating, curve is bounded with the line y equal to x, y 0, yx equal to 16, and x equal to 8. So by observing this, what is the region of integration? You may think that this is small circle, but once observe this small triangle. It is bounded with xy equal to 16, x equal to 8 and y equal to x only. It is not bounded with y equal to 0. So this is not the region of integration. This shaded part is the region of integration. This is the region of integration. In this region, we have to evaluate the double integral x square dx dy. To evaluate this integral, in the region of integration, we have to consider one vertical strip. See, in the region of integration, in the starting, ending or in the middle, we have to chance to take vertical strip. But if you observe, if you take vertical strip in this here, vertical strip first end touches x-axis, another end touches the line y equal to x. If we consider vertical strip in this portion, vertical strip first end touches x-axis, another end touches the curve xy equal to 16. So the second end of the vertical strip touches different curves because the boundary of the region involves part from the line y equal to x and part from xy equal to 16 and a part from x equal to 8. Because of these boundaries, we are getting different arcs. That's why, because of this intersecting point, we are like that. So, divide region of integration into two parts, R1, R2. Evaluation of double integral over the region R. So to do double integration x square dx dy over R means over this one, we have to do double integral evaluation over R1 plus over R2. So double integral x square dx dy over R equal to, as R is divided into R1 and R2, evaluation over R means evaluation over R1 and plus evaluation of integration over R2. First, find out limits equivalent to the region R1. So from R1, here R1 is this one. In R1, vertical strip first end touches x-axis. For x-axis, equation is y equal to 0. Vertical strip one end touches x-axis. X-axis equation is y equal to 0. So, y limits are from 0 to vertical strip another end touches the line y equal to x. So from this line equation, y means x itself. So y limits are from 0 to x. This is R1 part. Y limits 0 to x, and this point of intersection we have to determine. This is 4, 4. This point is 4, 4. Along x-axis, how much unit distance? 4 units distance. So this is the point 4, 0. R1 varies from 0, 0 to 4, 0. R1 varies from 0, 0 to 4, 0 along x-axis. So x limits are 0 to 4. So the limits equivalent to the region R1 is, by taking vertical strip, y limits 0 to x, and along x-axis x varies from 0 to 4. These becomes limits equivalent to the region R1. Now from R2, region, this is R2 region. In R2 region, by considering the vertical strip, you will get y limits in terms of the variables by observing the end point of the vertical strip where it passes. The first end of the vertical strip touches again x-axis. X-axis equation is y equal to 0. So y limits are from 0 to another end of the vertical strip. In R2 region, another end touches the curve xy equal to 16. From xy equal to 16, what is y? xy equal to 16. Y equal to 16 by x. So upper limit becomes 16 by x. Again I am explaining. Vertical strip first end touch. Vertical strip first end touches x-axis. X-axis equation y equal to 0. From that y means 0 itself. So it becomes lower limit. Another end touches this curve. This curve equation is xy equal to 16. From that y means 16 by x. It becomes the upper limit. So y limits are from 0 to 16 by x. Now we require x limits. To have x limits, R2 is this region. R2 region varies observe along x-axis. The region along x-axis, how it varies? Along x-axis, R2 region varies from this point to this point. The points are 4, 0 to 8, 0. So here x varies from 4 to 8. So x limits are from 4 to 8. So these are the limits which is equivalent to R2 region. So evaluation of double integral over the region R x square dx dy equal to double integral over R1. Over R1 limits are y limits 0 to x, x limits are 0 to 4, x square dx dy plus double integral over R2. So regarding R2, the limits are y limits are from 0 to 16 by x, x limits are 4 to 8, x square dx dy. So by evaluating these two double integrals, we will get double integral x square dx dy over R. Take this as first double integral as 1, second double integral as 2. Evaluate separately. That makes easy simplification. So 1 implies y limits from 0 to x. x limits from 0 to 4 x square. We have y limits in, see, in the region of integration we are taking vertical strip, means always we will get y limits in terms of the variables. We are getting y limits in terms of the variables, means we have chance to do with respect to y integration first of all. So in the region of integration, taking vertical strip means we are going to do with respect to y integration. Conclude like that. So as y limits variable limit, first write down dy and later dx. Integral, while doing with respect to y, we keep x constant, so x square constant, so integral dy becomes y. Limits are from 0 to x dx. So integral x square, upper limit, integration with respect to y over, so in place of y limit substitution, so upper limit x, lower limit 0 dx equal to integral x cube. X cube means x power 4 by 4. What about x limits 0 to 4? So 4 power 4 by 4, that means 4 cube, that is 64. First integral evaluation. Now we do the second one. Now we evaluate the second double integral. So second one is double integral x limits 4 to 8, y limits 0 to 16 by x square dx dy. It is equal to integral with respect to y integration first of all. Strictly to say, y limits 0 to 16 by x square. As y limits in x, we write down dy first, later dx. X limits 4 to 8. Integral. Now do it with respect to y. While doing with respect to y, we treat x square constant, integral dy y from 0 to 16 by x dx. So, integral x square, in place of y, upper limit substitution, lower limit 0 dx. It is equal to integral x cancel, you will get 16x dx. X limits are 4 to 8. That is 16 into x square by 2. Limits 4 to 8. So 8 into 8 square minus 4 square. So 8 into 64 minus 16. That is 8 into 64 minus 16. 3. Double integral over r x square dx dy equal to double integral over r1 double integral over r2. Over r1 you got 64 and over r2 you have 384. That is equal to 448. That completes the solution. So here from the problem we identified a region of integration of this one. The boundary points we got at 4, 4 and this point 8, 2 and 8, 0, 0, 0. Actually over the region of integration it is enough if we take one vertical strip, but because of this intersecting point, the boundary of the region involves different curves. That's why we divided the region of integration into two parts. So evaluation of double integral over the whole region means evaluation of integral over R1 plus R2.